Hi everyone. So I wanted to share some things that I got, which it all started with my sewing machine. So this is my sewing machine here. And I needed, oh yeah, and I also got this here. So for me to sew on heavier items, like I'm hoping that works for this. So I wanted to sew on this. So yeah, hopefully that'll work. This piece right here, and my husband ended up just printing it in the end. So like I ended up finding this here at Walmart for $14.98. Somebody had returned it. I didn't know it was returned, but something was going on with it, and my husband figured it out, so it works just fine now. So this is the handheld or quick stitch machine, and it actually works pretty good. Like, this is the sewing for it on both sides. So that was a good deal. And then the other thing that I got was this right here, because I'm still missing that piece. So I was actually missing that piece and this one here that I broke off because I'm heavy-handed, and then when shit don't work out, I'm like fucking breaking shit. But I ended up getting this bobbin winder, and it works pretty good. Where did I put my, oh, so the thread goes here, and then it just goes around this way and down here. So where did I put it? Oh my god, I got shit everywhere. Anyway, but let's just say this was winded, which it wasn't. It's like a mess, but you put this here, and then when you turn it on, it'll stay on all the way until this fills up, which the reason why, because you can't just shut it on and off. You turn it on, it gets filled up, and this thing moves back, and that's how it shuts off. So I don't know if anybody has had these and wondered, or even wondered how they work. This is actually pretty good. I don't know what I did with my thread. I just have some things everywhere. But I wanted to share that with y'all. I'm gonna start using my sewing machine again, and I just needed to get a couple of things for it. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.